Hello. Okay, so I know I said I was going to use my brand new shower scrubber the other day, and I actually didn't because I had some other things I had to get done. But I am going to do it today. I need to clean all three bathrooms. I have Christmas here at my house on Friday. Is that when Christmas is? Like, I just know Christmas is next week. Um, and so I'm cleaning all three bathrooms, getting them all sparkling. And to do that, I need to mix up some more Thieves Household Cleaner. So I wanted to pop on here and show you just how easy Thieves Household Cleaner is and how much it makes all of your cleaning needs the easy button, okay? So I just got these new glass spray bottles off of Amazon. You can get tons. Just pick one. You want the reason that a lot of oil bottles and things that you see for DIY are amber is because direct sunlight can break down essential oils, and so that's why a lot of them are in amber. But I will show you. Previously, we've just used the cheap spray bottles that you get like at the hardware store or in the cleaning aisle at Walmart. This is fine because with Thieves Household Cleaner, you do dilute it enough that the oils are not going to degrade the plastic as much as they would if you were putting it directly into it. Is glass a better option? Yes. Glass and stainless steel are always a better option when you're doing things with essential oils because the essential oils go after those petrochemicals or the impurities and they break them down and try to get rid of them. So that's why we try not to use plastic, but with Thieves Cleaner, you're okay. Now, you'll notice with Thieves Cleaner, it actually comes in a plastic bottle. The laundry soap comes in a plastic bottle. It has essential oils in it, but Young Living only uses medical grade plastic for these. And so then it doesn't have that breaking down issue that you have with other things, okay? Okay, that was like a bonus education on essential oils and what to use them in. Now we're going to get to the Thieves Household Cleaner. So Thieves Household Cleaner comes in a bottle like this. It's extremely concentrated. So for this 16-ounce bottle, this is a 16-ounce glass bottle, I'm going to, in fact, I already have it in here, one capful of Thieves Cleaner is all I'm going to put in there for my general cleaning needs. And that's what I did. And it's a good thing I didn't do it on camera because I made a mess. Use a funnel, people. It saves you messes. But here's the nice thing about Thieves Household Cleaner. You can go get a funnel out of your kitchen cupboard, pop it in the top of this to get your Thieves Cleaner in here, and you don't have to worry about what you're putting on your kitchen funnel. This stuff is fine. This is all natural, nothing bad for you stuff. Now, do you want to drink the whole bottle? No, let's use common sense. But you're not going to have to worry about, can I use this funnel again to cook with? Yes, absolutely, you can, okay? Because that's how safe this cleaner is. If you want to investigate your cleaners under your cupboard, start typing in any ingredients that you find on the label and say, health issues with, and just type out the ingredient and just see what it says. Okay, for our house, I knew I needed to find something better because whenever I cleaned, I would spray down the shower with whatever cleaner it was, spray it down, and then I would have to leave the bathroom. I would have to turn on the fan, the exhaust fan, and leave the bathroom because I would get so choked up and I would just start coughing and coughing and coughing. Well, you know that's not good for you. If you're hacking up a lung after you spray your cleaner, it's probably not good for you. So I had always, or I don't want to say always, but I was looking for better alternatives. I was a person who was seeking better options than what I was dealing with, and cleaners was one of those things. So when I heard about Thieves Cleaner, I knew I needed to get it, and I think my first bottle, I either got it on sale or I actually got it free, which, I mean, Young Living gives a lot away free stuff. I had cleaner everywhere. I rinse off that bottle. But so I tried it out and I couldn't believe it when I first got it. I was like, how do I dilute this? What do I do with it? So I went on Pinterest I don't know, is Pinterest still a thing? I still use it, but maybe that's just me. Went on Pinterest and looked up recipes for Thieves Household Cleaner. Okay, guys, you can use this for your glass cleaner. You can use it for your stove. You can use it for your tile and your grout. You can use it on granite. You can use it on your wood floors. You can use it anywhere. Now, do I recommend that you test things? Yes, always test something if it's the first time you're using it. But you can use it to clean your upholstery. You can use it to clean your carpet. I have put this in my carpet cleaner. Makes your house smell amazing. It replaces all those cleaners that are in your cupboard. And you're like, well, what about my soft scrub? I really like my soft scrub. I now make my own soft scrub. Baking soda, Thieves Cleaner, a little bit of lemon oil, maybe some water if you need it, and boom, you've got soft scrub. It's fabulous, and it works better than soft scrub in my opinion. And your fingers don't get all dried out and weird after you use it too, because I never use gloves. I should have, but I didn't. And so you don't have to worry about that dried out, crusty feeling you get on your fingers with Thieves. It's all taken care of. Okay, I got off track there, but I want to tell you that you just take one capful, put it in your glass bottle, and then fill the rest of this with water. Like, that's literally all you need. Fill it with water, put your spray top on, and you're good to go. Now, if you are doing heavy duty cleaning or something like that, degreasing, maybe thoroughly cleaning the house, you might want to double that and do 2 capfuls. You know, it just kind of depends on what you're dealing with. If it's really gross cleaning, you may need a little more cleaning oomph. I've even seen people add vinegar to their Thieves Household Cleaner. I don't know, maybe that would help it too. The other little story I wanted to tell about Thieves Household Cleaner is, 2 things. Okay, so I started to talk about how I don't, it doesn't make me choke up when I spray it. Like, this solved that problem for me. And I thoroughly believe, because of replacing all of the products in our home with all natural, plant-based Thieves Household Cleaner, Thieves Hand Soap, Thieves Soap, just getting all the yuck out, diffusers instead of candles, all of those things, I really believe that's what cured a lot of our respiratory issues that we were having in this house. I'm not saying that the specific products were the cure, because that can get me in trouble, but I am saying that getting the nasty, toxic, synthetic chemicals out of my home, including anything that said fragrance on it, getting that out of my home is what made the difference in my boys' respiratory issues. So this is so economical, you can't justify using the crap. You've got to switch to clean stuff. Okay, so you're going to put this in here. You can change your flavors. If you like that company that comes out with the different smelling cleaners and soaps and everything every year, guess what? With Young Living and Thieves Household Cleaner, you can change your flavors or smells every season if you want to. If I wanted to, I could put about 10 to 15 drops of Christmas Spirit in here and have Christmas Spirit cleaner. My whole house would smell like Christmas Spirit, which is a great smell. There are recipes on Pinterest where you can make Thieves Household Cleaner smell like the Luscious Lemon hand soap that Young Living came out with this spring that we all went crazy for. Recipes are on Pinterest everywhere, or Young Living sites. You can find it too. You can change this up. Add pine. I have pine essential oil, and I've actually done that with Phillips hand soap back here. I make my own hand soap with Dr. Bonner's Castile soap, water, and essential oils, and I just added some pine essential oil this time, and it smells like a manly hand soap. It's not some little foofy thing. So that's the other benefit of essential oils, is you get variety in everything you do. So, okay, so I need to go use my new fun shower scrubber and my Thieves Household Cleaner here. But I will use this dilution in all of my bathrooms. I have a bottle in all of my bathrooms. This one is getting dumped into another glass bottle because the sprayer leaks everywhere every time I try to spray it. So I'm going to put it in the other glass bottle. And I will use it on my sinks, on the floors, and in the showers, and on the toilet. Actually, when I clean a toilet too, I just dump some vinegar in the toilet bowl, add a little baking soda, you get that little foaming action, scrub out the bowl, and you're done. And then I just wipe it off the rest of it with Thieves Household Cleaner. So easy peasy, guys. The Thieves Household Cleaner is your easy button, okay? Now, if you're intrigued by all of this, I want to say that you can go ahead and get a Thieves starter kit. If you're not a member of Young Living yet and you want to delve into replacing all the yuck in your home, you can get a Thieves starter kit. And it comes with hand soap, it comes with toothpaste, it comes with the Thieves Household Cleaner, 2 bottles. It comes with the mouthwash. Should have looked up what all comes in there, but look up Thieves Starter Kit and you'll be amazed. You can replace almost everything in your cupboards and on your countertops with that. And if you're interested in doing that, contact me. I'll help you get started. And I'm actually going to do a Thieves class in January here at my home where we'll just talk all things thieves. So keep a lookout for the Thieves class that I will do at my house. And if there's enough interest, maybe I'll do one online too. But there you go. I'm going to go clean. Have a great Saturday.